This is how to use night shift on your phone. Why this matters. If you're concerned about your sleep, then reducing the amount of blue light that you feed to your eyes before bedtime is super important. So if you find you're on a screen of any kind, a TV, a computer, a phone, you should try to set a setting that will filter out the blue light, because blue light is what keeps you awake. So if you filter out the blue light in the evening, you're better able to fall asleep once you put your screen down. Luckily, iPhone and iMac and all the Apple products have a feature built in called Night Shift that lets you do this really easily. So let's go to Settings, and we scroll down until we get to Display and Brightness. Here, there's an option called, there it is, Night Shift. Tap on that. I have mine currently set sunset to sunrise on a schedule, as you can see here. You can have it not on a schedule. You can just have it on all the time. I put on a schedule though, because during the day, filtering the blue light isn't as important. For the schedule, you can choose sunrise to sunset, sunset to sunrise. And you can also have a custom schedule. So you can turn it off at 7 a.m. in this example here, and turn it on at 8 p.m. So depending on what your sleep cycle is, you can set these as you need. I just choose sunset to sunrise. And that also works in conjunction with dark mode. So when dark mode comes on, I believe that would be around sunset. I'm not exactly sure how it detects dark mode is needed, but that could be the same schedule. And we can also manually enable until tomorrow. So if you want to turn this on manually for whatever reason, you can just tap that. I'm going to keep mine on the schedule. It keeps resetting to that 7 to 8. Put that back to sunrise to sunset. You can also change the color temperature. So you can have it be less warm, which is more blue. You can see the slight change. Like it looks a little, it's hard to describe. It looks a little reddish when you make it more warm, a little more saturated. And it might affect the appearance of some on-screen motion and content, which is a warning it says right here. I care more about sleeping well, so I put this up to the max, take out as much blue light as possible. So give this a try to see if you can improve how quickly you fall asleep and how well you sleep if you're on screens before bed, and let us know in the comments below if it helps you at all. And if you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know, and then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to set any song as your ringtone. It's a super cool video, it's quick to do. I'll see you there.